Are you wondering if YouTube TV allows recording of your favorite shows and live events? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how the recording feature works. If you're looking to save content for later, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does allow recording, and it's one of the platform's standout features. With its cloud DVR functionality, you can record live TV shows, movies, and events, and they'll be saved to your library for up to 9 months. There's no limit to how many programs you can record, thanks to YouTube TV's unlimited DVR storage, so you don't have to worry about running out of space. To record something, simply find the show or event you want to save and click the Record button. You can also set up recordings for entire series by selecting options like Record All Episodes or Record New Episodes Only. Once recorded, you can watch the content anytime, even skipping commercials during playback. Keep in mind that recordings are stored in the cloud, so you'll need an internet connection to access them. Additionally, some live sports or pay-per-view events may not be eligible for recording due to broadcasting restrictions. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV's recording feature works, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.